It's a great day in South Carolina. This is Karen with Xanadu Muse. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around, maybe hit the subscribe button or the like button. What do I have for you today? I have a little DIY on how I made this skillet holder for my cabinets. All it took was 3 items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So if you'd like to see how I did this, please stick around and I'll show you this quick tutorial. The supplies I'll be using from the Dollar Tree are napkin holders. I happen to use 4 in my project. Use as many as you need for your project. Some zip ties. These are Walmart, I believe, and some Dollar Tree mixed together. And a pair of scissors. It doesn't matter which kind of scissors you use. This is not scissors from the Dollar Tree, but it's not the scissors I used in the project either. So this is my cabinet. My door is very narrow, and I have trouble pulling the skillets in and out, so I needed a better solution. So I decided to make a pot organizer. And here I am taking the 4 Dollar Tree napkin holders. I'm removing the tags with the Dollar Tree scissors, as you can see there. And then I am zip tying the napkin holders together. I zip tie them together where they meet pretty much on top and in that center loop. And at the bottom, I'll crisscross the zip tie where it touches at the bottom of the napkin holder. I am now cutting the ends of the zip ties off of the napkin holder, which is now a skillet holder. And literally, it's that easy. Well, that's it for that simple tutorial. I hope you found it inspirational. It can help you in your organization needs. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. As always, stay calm and DIY on. And thank you for stopping by my channel, Xanadu Muse. See you in the next video. Bye.